Hello, my name is James Jeffries. I'm the Engineering Manager at Amaranth. This video will help you to correctly decontaminate a pump for service and maintenance. The required tools will be listed in the description box. Please ensure full PPE is worn where necessary. To fully decontaminate a pump, the following steps should be followed. Isolate the pump, making sure it's offline. Remove all the pump process with suitable cleaning product. You must state this process on the decontamination certificate and have COSH data sheets for all substances used. It's the customer's responsibility to ensure the correct environmental policy procedures are taken for hazardous process. Once the pump is drained, it will be removed from duty for full decontamination. Remove the casing drain plug. Thoroughly flush before removing any pump parts. Remove the coupling guard. Remove the coupling. Remove the suction cover, or in this case a bearing bracket assembly, to gain access to the internals for extended decontamination. Make sure the suction and discharge bores are cleaned, paying extra attention to the casing neck and cut water. Use a suitable cleaning fluid that doesn't react with the process. Now the impeller is accessible, clean and decontaminate as much as possible before removing the impeller. Remove the impeller fixings that secure it to the shaft. Then remove the impeller to gain access to the rear side and the seal housing internals. Thoroughly clean and decontaminate the impeller eye, internal and external vanes where present. Now the inside of the seal housing is accessible. Clean and decontaminate the remainder of the internals. If internal component seal is present, then this will need to be removed and thoroughly cleaned. If the pump has an external mechanical cartridge seal, then the process fluid will need to be removed and flushed through. If the pump has any wetted pipework, this will also need to be flushed through and fully decontaminated. If there is a base plate present, make sure this is also cleaned and decontaminated. Finally, fully reassemble the pump, making sure everything is cleaned thoroughly and decontaminated to make it safe to handle. Complete the form signed with relevant paperwork. Make sure you attach one copy to the pump and one copy to be sent electronically to the service department. You will find contact details on the decontamination paperwork. Thanks for watching this video. We hope it's been beneficial. Other useful videos are available. Please visit the Amaranth channel and click subscribe.